all these beautiful, successful files. My name is Kevin Ayala with Credit Law Solutions, and I've been working in the industry for 4 years now. I also come from the wholesale side as an account executive, so I do have the capability of looking at files through the eyes of an underwriter, and I work with some of the top 1%, I work with some of the top 200, and basically what I do is I assist them with the clients that, let's say, don't qualify either due to low scoring, having underwriting blocks, those kind of issues, because I am capable of eliminating derogatory trade lines permanently off the credit report. So I'm not following the generic dispute process where you just dispute items on a credit bureau level. I'm actually legally challenging the original creditors, collection companies, and the courthouses in the cases of public record. So what we're doing is we're opening up an investigation, putting them through a mini audit to put the burden of proof on them to show your clients proof that everything is truly accurate on the credit report. So I would love an opportunity to earn your trust, earn your business. I would love to discuss any derogatories that you mainly come across so I can explain in depth how I eliminate them. So please give me a call. My direct number, 818-719-0208. You can also text me at 818-918-1290. And if you need to email me a credit report that you would like for me to analyze, please, Kevin@creditlawsolutions.com. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for taking a look at this video. I appreciate it.